I think the biggest concern are those winds and flooding in the coastal areas, in particular flood-prone areas. So people have been asked to evacuate those areas, and people seem to be taking heed. And then after that, down power lines due to the high winds. The electric company has asked people to be prepared for electricity outages for a couple days.
The preparation for this hurricane began years ago with a dune system, creating with the help of the Army Corps of Engineers, a terrific dune system from the Maryland line all the way up to Lewis, Delaware, Cape Henlopen. And that'll help protect our coastal towns, Rehoboth Beach, Dewey, and Bethany, and places like that. The other thing that we've done is the governor evacuated from a lot of our lower lying coastal areas, a lot of them all the way into about 3/4 of a mile. So people are out of that part. Most people complied very readily. We checked in with DelDOT this morning, and they say there's almost nobody out on the highway. So people have really complied. And a lot of places where they have hurricanes rather routinely, folks like to hang in, and they're not sure that they really need to bail out and go someplace safer. Here, people take this seriously, and that's a good thing.
The federal administration's been great. I really appreciated the opportunity to speak with the president as well as Secretary Napolitano and Craig Fugate, who runs FEMA. And in fact, the secretary had reached out to me the night before as well. And their message was very simple. The federal government understands what we're going through. They're going to be here to support us. In fact, we already have FEMA people on the ground here in Delaware. We're grateful for that. Coordinating with all of our first responders. We've got a terrific first responder community here in Delaware, and they're doing a good job.